do it. Oh, I'm sorry. You okay?
Yeah, I didn't know what that was.
Here we are. Went to Snowland. This is our poor house. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, that's crazy. Look, you can't even go down here. Whoa, whoa, look at that. That's crazy. Oh, look at my feet. Her feet are literally, this is me. This is me, y'all. Right here. Wow. Wow. That's them back there. Whoa, look at this. That's just insane. Wow. Look at me. Whoa. Look at Ethan. Look at Ethan. He can't even make it through. I can't even open up the garage. Whoa, look at the street. Dude, look at the road. The road. This is the road. Wow. Look at the road. Look at the car right there. Whoa, look. Whoa, you can't, no. No. Wow. Killer. She over there trying to shovel some snow. I gotta turn the phone off. I'll leave this. My hands are freezing. I gotta get back to the house. Wow. Jesus. Like the lake just fell all over. I gotta get back. Excuse me. Kilo. This is the street. Kilo, this is the street. That's where the street is.